everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the split screen option in your device Realme Gt Neo 3 5G. So if in this device you want to use the feature of the split screen, you can do this by the methods I will show you in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the split screen feature in your device Realme Gt Neo 3 5G. Let's watch the video.